Hi, this is Corin. I'm the developer of AvidVendors and the new voucher platform powering AvidDeals. Here to walk you through how to use the new AvidVendors web app to validate, redeem, and manage AvidDeals discounts and teams. The portal can be accessed at vendor.avid.deals. From a web browser like Chrome or Safari, we can install the app onto Android or iOS devices by selecting the Add to Home Screen option. On Android with Chrome, just tap the three-dot menu to find it. And on iOS with Safari, tap the share icon, square with that arrow going up. Scroll down. You might have to tap Edit Actions first if it's not visible. This is the recommended way to install the app until our forthcoming mobile app release to the App Store and Google Play. But you may also access it straight through any modern web browser. After verifying you're a human, you'll be able to sign in via an affiliated email address or log in as a guest to quickly gain access to the validator. To sign in via email, you'll need access to your inbox to retrieve a one-time passcode. If you're in a rush to redeem an AvidDeals discount for a customer, we also offer a rapid access option. That allows you to bypass the login temporarily. Let's go through how you might use rapid access to quickly redeem a discount. For demonstration purposes, let's follow hypothetical employee John using AvidVendors to quickly redeem a customer's deal. He's used the old system and his manager told him he has access with his AvidDeals email, so he's gonna wing it. Let's say John's in a rush because he has a customer presented an AvidDeals voucher printed out. Using rapid access, you can request support, validate, and redeem vouchers, sign out, and not much else. John has the option to scan a voucher's QR code, which may be the obvious choice, and it's fast, once you've given the app permission to use your device's camera. However, if something were wrong with your camera, or the QR image were distorted, we could enter the voucher code to accomplish the same thing. Once we've submitted the voucher code, we reveal its current status. This one is good to go, but John can't redeem it until he provides his initials or nickname, an added precaution unique to rapid access. Once entered, hitting redeem confirms that John has redeemed the deal and is no longer valid for future use. That progress bar filling is our subtle nod that the rapid access journey is nearly at its end. Once it is filled, or if John were to attempt to navigate elsewhere in the app, he is redirected to the account details page, where he is locked until he verifies his email address. Now that John has a moment to finish linking the redemption back to his account, he can go back into the app and finish the job. AvidVendors will then request he verify the email submitted by inputting the OTP John received, similar to the standard login flow from the main page. Note, if the voucher we're validating is expired, we will be warned that we need to be logged in to validate it, as it would be at John's discretion as an authorized representative of AvidDeals to redeem the voucher for the face value or the full value of the deal per the coupon clause and local law. Once the OTP is accepted, John is logged in, and the redemption he made with rapid access is updated to reflect his role in the event. On this page, we have a simple profile card where John can customize his display name and avatar for a friendlier presentation wherever his account is associated. John has cashier-level access, allowing him to review his own redemptions, quickly validate and redeem vouchers for the vendors he is invited to represent, as well as alter public profile details. We sign out from the account details page, though if John is using AvidVendors on his own device, he could stay logged in and return the app when needed. For those watching who don't need higher access than John, feel free to bow out here. Now I want to take you back in time to when John's hypothetical manager, Amanda, logged into her account for the first time and created John's account. Amanda has partner-level access, which makes her an administrator for the AvidDeals team. Here, AvidDeals continues to represent a vendor and team much like your own. Partner users land on a dashboard page that displays data visualizations, illustrating how your AvidDeals offerings are performing. If your account is attached to multiple vendors or vendor locations with AvidDeals, then you are able to toggle between each store with drop-down, not featured here. Amanda found her way to the account details page by clicking the icon at the top right, and now she can make the account more her own. Now she wants to create John's account so he can handle AvidDeals out on the floor. From the staff page, she can click the button on the bottom right of the screen to add a staff member by submitting a valid email address. This will send him an email with an invite link since he was newly added. But as we saw, John's account was easily verified when he attempted to link his account under Rapid Access. As you can see, my account brandishing my self-appointed nickname, the Colonel, exists among the team representing an account manager. And in the table's far right column, it shows that I've redeemed 1 voucher for the team, whereas John has yet to use AvidVendors and has redeemed 0. Time has flown by. John has gone on break, and Amanda is covering him while he's away. And wouldn't you know it, we have another AvidDeals voucher to validate and redeem. Amanda is presented with the customer's phone, showing a QR code and some details of their deal from their AvidDeals wallet. Amanda navigates to the Validate Voucher page, and here she can scan the QR code. It's valid, so Amanda is going to redeem it. That was easy. The discount is applied on her end, and now she wants to explore the app. On the redemptions page, we can view Amanda's own redemptions, or all redemptions for AvidDeals, including 2 faded out examples. You might see an invalidated redemption when a customer or vendor can verify the redemption to have been a mistake. Amanda can also check out the entire history of purchased deals for AvidDeals in descending order on the deals sold page. Let's jump out of Amanda's perspective for a moment as I show you the account manager POV. It looks just like Amanda's, because account managers, like the Colonel, are given partner-level access, so they can see what you see, and aid in adding new members to your team when necessary. The Colonel cannot edit Amanda's account because they are both partners, but I can edit John because his access is a lower tier. I'll use the authority to upgrade John to a store account. This will allow John to have mid-level of access, so he can help manage other cashier accounts, but not higher level accounts. We want you to have some flexibility in the way you manage your teams, so feel free to experiment with how you extend access to your teams. And with that, I feel you should have a decent introduction to the new AvidVendors app and how to use it. We are grateful for your partnership and look forward to improving the app with your help over time to expand what it can do for you and your business. Thank you for being an AvidDeals partner. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to use the request support feature or reach out to your account manager.